Welcome to our channel today. We will guide you through the exact steps to successfully log into your beta testing account with ease and confidence. Welcome to our channel. If you are new to beta testing or just need a clear walkthrough to access your account, let's dive in step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official beta testing website. Once the home page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You will be directed to the login page where you will need to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your registered email address in the email input field. Make sure this is the email you used when signing up. Next, enter your password carefully into the password field. If you have forgotten your password, do not worry, as there is a password recovery link, usually labeled Forgot Password, which you can click to reset your password via email. After entering your credentials, double-check that both fields are correct to avoid login errors. When everything is ready, click the Login or Sign In button below the input fields. If your credentials are valid, you will be taken to your beta testing account dashboard, where you can start exploring available tests and features. In case you are logging in on a new device or location, beta testing might ask you to verify your identity through a two-factor authentication method, such as a code sent to your phone or email. Follow the prompts to enter the verification code. For enhanced security, always ensure your password is strong and never share your login details with others. If you encounter any issues like account lockout or technical difficulties, beta testing support is ready to help via their contact options on the website. Keeping your login information safe ensures you can smoothly participate in beta tests and provide valuable feedback. Follow these simple steps every time you want to log in, and you'll have seamless access to your beta testing account without hassle. Remember to log out from shared devices to maintain privacy and security.